Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I decided to come to you guys and do this Popeyes chicken sandwich review because I have been hearing so much about it. And at first, I wasn't even really trying to do it. Like, I really could care less. You know, I do keto. I don't necessarily eat bread and stuff anyway. But social media has taken this sandwich and ran with it. So I decided to go ahead and try it. Okay, so I'm trying the spicy one. It comes in this little packaging. I done already took it out, but it comes in this little packaging. This is what it looked like. Got my fries with it. So, I mean, it's a nice looking sandwich. You know, it's got this big old piece of pickle in there. So, let's see. Y'all ready? Let's see if it's the hype. Let me take another bite. The bread is very moist. The chicken is crispy and fresh. It's good. Do I think social media doing too much though? Yeah. It's a good sandwich. Would I stand in line another hour for it? Probably not. But if you got a Popeyes near you, definitely go check it out. It's good. It is good. But a wait of an hour long? Nah, it ain't that good. But it's good though. I'm about to enjoy the rest of my food, y'all. Have a good one.